Growth and development. These are major goals for every community in central Pennsylvania. To foster such growth, the region needs an efficient, well-maintained transportation network to move people and products quickly. Throughout this area's history, U.S. Route 22 has played a vital role in helping central Pennsylvania improve and grow. But in recent times, 22 has been overshadowed by the more modern, four-lane highways such as Interstate 80 and the Pennsylvania Turnpike. New businesses and residents have been locating near these major highways rather than communities along Route 22. During 1987 and 88, the Pennsylvania Department of Transportation extensively studied conditions in the area. The goal? To determine how 22 can best serve the people in the area and help the region grow. The department's Route 22 study concentrated on one 65-mile stretch of roadway that extends from Duncansville in Blair County to Cuba Mills near Lewistown in Juniata County. This stretch provides vital access to work, home, and shopping for many central Pennsylvanians. In conducting this study, engineers gathered information from 5 key areas: the public, the environment, traffic conditions, the economy, and engineering factors. From the beginning, the department strongly encouraged local officials and citizens to become involved in the study process. During the spring of 1987, the department held meetings with public officials and residents from the 4-county area to explain the Route 22 study and to learn about their present and future needs. At the meetings, residents pointed to traffic congestion, safety considerations, sharp curves, steep grades, and no passing zones as major problems with the existing Route 22. The department also analyzed environmental conditions and features in the study area. For example, sensitive water resources were identified. Historic and archaeological sites checked. Farmland and wetland surveys were completed, and engineers carefully reviewed how roadway changes impact on noise and air quality. By studying these areas, the department learned that improving existing Route 22 through Hollidaysburg, for example, would be severely limited because of the many historical buildings along its path. To determine road usage and traffic characteristics, several traffic studies were done. Study teams conducted roadside interviews with motorists, took traffic counts, and reviewed accident histories. These studies enabled engineers to predict future traffic patterns and volumes. For example, the data showed that the study area, in general, would not need a new limited access 4-lane highway to handle future traffic volumes. However, the traffic studies indicated that traffic congestion and safety were significant problems in the developed areas along Route 22, such as Hollidaysburg, Huntington, and Lewistown. The department also gathered data on the region's economy to better determine what road improvements will best serve local businesses and promote development. The study showed that an improved 22 in itself will not guarantee economic growth. However, if the area's retail trade, service industry, and light manufacturing grows as expected, then upgrading the highway will support resulting increases in commuter and light vehicle traffic during the next 20 years. As part of the study, the department also conducted an extensive engineering analysis. Through on-site inspections and reviewing past studies, engineers identified problems with the current highway. For example, the analysis pointed out steep, winding sections of the roadway and identified where auxiliary traffic lanes will be needed along 22. The Route 22 study went beyond traditional engineering studies. As a result, the improvements made will better serve the region's needs. For example, in the Hollidaysburg area, the study pointed out cultural resources, traffic congestion, and extensive commercial and residential development along the roadway. Based on this information, engineers proposed realigning Route 22 around the community as the most logical improvement. In Huntington, the study identified Water Street as a problem area because of its serpentine approach, poor sight distance, and accident history. Here, engineers suggested realigning the roadway slightly, eliminating curves near the intersection and adding turning lanes. And in Lewistown, residents complained about traffic congestion and suggested relocating the highway. They also cited traffic safety in the Lewistown Narrows as a major problem. These concerns were supported by traffic and accident data collected during the study. As a result, engineers recommended the construction of a new alignment north of Lewistown to alleviate traffic congestion on 4th Street. In the Lewistown Narrows, safety improvements were proposed such as a no-passing zone. Since it was built, Route 22 has been a vital artery, moving people and products within central Pennsylvania. Future growth is supported by an efficient transportation system. The Pennsylvania Department of Transportation believes we can have an effective Route 22. An improved Route 22 means better access, more efficient traffic flow, and safer travel, a highway that supports economic development in the region. In short, an improved Route 22 means a better central Pennsylvania.